Perfect. Perfect.
Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. So today y'all, is definitely time to wash my hair. My hair has been in this crusty dusty ponytail for like a week, and it was in a bun for 2 weeks before that. I have just been being so lazy, so it's definitely time to wash my hair. So I'm just gonna soak my hair down with this water for a good 3 to 5 minutes to make sure my cuticles are opened up so that it can receive this cleansing that it so desperately needs. So let's start with this Ayurveda pre-poo by the main crush. It says it hydrates, strengthens, reduces shedding and breakage, and promotes elasticity. It had a really nice, thick, creamy consistency. It had a nice smell. It did have some like bits in it, but those bits rinsed out like a dream, no problem. It went on really thick as well. It had okay slip at first, not like super duper slippery. I did apply more product. That didn't make it more slippery, but then I decided to put my head under the water, and that brought the slip out a lot more. So that was better. Of course, they have great ingredients, which I'll leave for you on the screen. And I did not read the instructions. It does say put on soaking wet hair and leave with a plastic cap for 45 minutes to 3 hours. I did not do that. I rinsed it out as soon as I applied it, but it didn't matter. It felt so good. I still had a whole nother use left, and I just loved the way my hair looked and felt after I used it. It was so soft. Like, it just felt real good, and it felt moisturized. So that was a really good pre-poo. So today I tried the Chocolate Kingston Curls Rasu Clay Cocoa Creme Clay Wash. This is the one that gets the most hype. It has a beautiful, creamy, super thick texture, but it's like whipped super well. With it being so thick, I wasn't sure how it was going to apply to my hair, but as I started to rub it in, it really started to soak into my hair, and it felt real good. My hair was feeling soft and moisturized. It does say to just put it on your hair and finger detangle and rinse out. I definitely did dip my hair under the water to get that slip to activate even more. So I did go in with a shampoo between the pre-poo and the clay wash, so you guys didn't see that. Just wanted to make sure my hair was nice and clean before I went in with my clay wash. This clay wash really brought the moisture back to my hair. This is another company that does great ingredients, so my hair could really tell that I was using a good quality product, quality clay wash, and my hair just felt really good, moisturized, yet clean still, very soft. I could definitely see why everybody loves this clay wash. I was really liking the way my curls were feeling and looking with this clay wash. This clay wash came and did what it was supposed to do, and it did it right away. I didn't have to wait and leave it on or any of that. Like, it felt great, and I still have a whole nother use left, so I am down with this clay wash for sure. Deep conditioner, we're going to use the avocado infusion restorative conditioner from Kiki Tresses. This is another fan favorite that people love. The consistency of this deep conditioner was nice and buttery. Like, it wasn't thin or lightweight. It really had a nice buttery feel. It felt nice and buttery going on my hair. I really like the consistency and the application of it. The more that I added, the more it really weighed my hair down with those butters and oils, and it just really felt good applying this deep conditioner. Of course, this is another Black-owned brand that has great ingredients. Black-owned brands are just really putting really good ingredients in their products, and I'm here for it. This is a restorative conditioner, like I mentioned, so I was expecting it to have a moisture protein balance, but we'll see what happens when I rinse my hair out. Okay, so let's see what this deep conditioner did to these curls, Annie. Why did I forget to take them lashes off before I got in the shower? This is definitely a protein-based deep conditioner. My hair definitely feels stronger, that's for sure. It's not as moisturized as I would like it to be. I needed more of a moisture protein balance. This is not the way my hair normally looks after a deep conditioning. Like, it doesn't have the definition, it doesn't have like the softness, and it's definitely lacking moisture. The protein part, even though the protein was at the end of the ingredients list, I feel that. I feel the strengthening. So to finish this up, I'm gonna have to mix this with a more moisturizing deep conditioner. So if you need protein, you need some like a light strengthening treatment, like this is definitely strengthening, but it's not very moisturizing. And I thought it was gonna be real moisturizing, but it's not. It's just okay with the moisture. Like, my hair shouldn't be this big and frizzy, you know what I'm saying? Or it normally isn't. So it looks like, you know, wash day started off bomb, but you know, it kind of ended on a okay type of note. So I definitely need to get me a moisturizing leave-in in here. So if that's what you need, go ahead and pick it up, but don't pick it up for moisture, because it's just not there for me. I don't know why, but so that was today's wash day. Started off real good, and then it slid into a not so much, but we're gonna get it back together in the styling portion. So make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.